Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that has been getting a lot of attention lately, cryptocurrencies. And the big question on everyone's mind is, can crypto earn you money? Well, let's find out. Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies that use encryption for security. They are decentralized, meaning no central authority controls them. Instead, they operate on a technology called blockchain, which is like a digital ledger that keeps track of all the transactions. So, how can you make money with cryptocurrencies? One way is through mining. Mining involves using powerful computers to solve complex math problems, which helps verify and record transactions. Miners are rewarded with new coins for their work. Another way to earn money is by investing in cryptocurrencies. Just like investing in stocks or real estate, you can buy cryptocurrencies and hope that their value increases over time. If you make the right choices, you could see a good return on your investment. But it's important to remember that cryptocurrencies can be risky. Their value can be volatile, meaning it can go up and down quickly. So, it's crucial to do your research, understand the risks, and only invest money that you can afford to lose. There's also something called staking, where you can hold your cryptocurrencies in a wallet and earn additional coins as a reward for supporting the network. Some cryptocurrencies also allow you to lend your holdings and earn interest on them. To sum it up, yes, cryptocurrencies can earn you money through mining, investing, staking, and lending. However, it's important to approach it with caution, do your research, and understand the risks involved. Remember, only invest what you can afford to lose. That's all for today, folks. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and happy crypto earning.